Buddhāvataṃsaka, Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. At that time, the Gandhava king sustaining the nation, imbued with the power of the Buddha, looked over all the hosts of Gandhavas and said in verse, "The innumerable doors to the realm of the Buddhas cannot be entered by any sentient beings. The Buddha is like the nature of space, pure. He opens the right path for all worlds. In each one of the Buddha's pores is an ocean of virtues, all replete. All words are benefited and pleased by them. This is what tree light can see. The vast ocean of sorrow and suffering of the world, the Buddha can evaporate entirely. The Buddha, compassionate, has many techniques. Clear Eyes has deep understanding of this. The ocean of lands in the 10 directions is boundless. The Buddha illumines them all with the light of knowledge, causing them to wash away all wrong views. This is where tree flower enters. The Buddha, over countless eons in the past, cultivated great compassion and skill in means to pacify all the worlds. This path universal sound can enter. The Buddha body is pure. All like to see it. It can produce endless enjoyment in the world, as the causes and effects of liberation are successively fulfilled. Good Eyes skillfully demonstrates this. Sentient beings are confused, always going in circles. Their barriers of ignorance are most firm and dense. The Buddha expounds the great teaching for them. This lion banner is able to expound. The Buddha manifests everywhere a body of wondrous form, with innumerable differentiations, equal to sentient beings, by various means enlightening the world. Wondrous sound looks upon the Buddha this way. The infinite doors of knowledge and means the Buddha opens for all sentient beings to enter the true practice of supreme enlightenment. This diamond banner well observes. Within an instant, millions of eons, the Buddha's power can show this with no effort, bestowing peace and comfort equally on all living beings. This is the liberation of pleasant adornment.